Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power button volume circuit board from an Inspiron 13 version 7352. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base cover. Now unplug and loosen hard drive cable. Now unscrew and remove battery. Next, unplug and remove speakers. The last thing you'll do is unplug and remove the power button circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For heatsinks, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.